The inability to focus hit me during a critical project deadline last year. Despite my best intentions, my mind kept wandering, productivity plummeted, and anxiety skyrocketed. As someone who researches cognitive function, I was determined to understand what was happening and how to fix it. What I discovered transformed not just my ability to concentrate, but my entire approach to mental performance. The science behind focus problems is far more nuanced than most people realize, and the solutions aren't what you might expect. The hidden focus thieves. Most people blame willpower when concentration fails, but research from the Neuroscience department at Stanford University suggests something different. Your brain's ability to focus depends on specific biological factors that most of us inadvertently sabotage daily. Sleep debt silently erodes focus without most people noticing the connection. A study published in the Journal of Nature and Science of Sleep found that even mild sleep deprivation, 1-2 hours less than optimal, reduces attention span by up to 32%. I tracked my sleep for 2 weeks and discovered I was consistently getting 6 hours instead of the recommended 7-9 hours. When I prioritized sleep, my focus improved dramatically within days. Attention switching, not multitasking, is what most people actually do. According to research from the American Psychological Association, this switching depletes neural resources rapidly. Each time you check your phone or email, your brain requires up to 23 minutes to fully refocus on the original task. I was shocked to discover I was checking my phone nearly 40 times during working hours, essentially guaranteeing fragmented attention. Glucose fluctuations directly impact cognitive function. The Journal of Pediatrics published research showing that unstable blood sugar levels correlate with attention difficulties even in healthy individuals. My habit of skipping breakfast and relying on coffee until lunch was creating mid-morning focus crashes. Stabilizing my eating patterns with protein-rich meals produced noticeable improvements in sustained attention. The Focus Reset Protocol. After consulting with neurologists and reviewing clinical research, I developed a protocol that restored my focus capabilities within 3 weeks. The approach combines several evidence-based strategies. The 90-minute work block aligns with your brain's natural ultradian rhythm. Harvard researchers found that the brain naturally cycles between higher and lower alertness approximately every 90 minutes. I restructured my work into 90-minute focus sessions, followed by 15-20-minute breaks, dramatically improving both quality and quantity of work. Using a simple timer helped maintain this discipline. Intentional dopamine fasting addresses the neurochemical basis of distraction. Smartphone notifications, social media, and other digital interruptions trigger dopamine releases that make your brain seek more stimulation rather than focusing on important tasks. I implemented a modified protocol, 30 minutes without digital devices before beginning important work, phone in another room during focus sessions, and notifications completely disabled except for true emergencies. Precision supplementation can support cognitive function when done correctly. Research from the British Journal of Nutrition indicates that certain nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and magnesium, play crucial roles in maintaining optimal brain function. After consulting my doctor, I added specific supplements and omega-3 rich foods to address deficiencies identified through testing. Unexpected focus enhancers. Several counterintuitive techniques proved exceptionally effective. Strategic mind wandering seems contradictory, but structured daydreaming actually enhances focus. Research from the University of California found that brief periods of unfocused thought can reset attention networks. I incorporated 5-minute thinking breaks between tasks, allowing my mind to wander without digital inputs, resulting in fresher focus when returning to work. Environmental restructuring influences focus on a subconscious level. A study in the Journal of Environmental Psychology demonstrated that even subtle workspace changes can significantly impact attention. Clearing visual clutter, introducing a small plant, and ensuring proper lighting improved my concentration measurably. The most effective change was creating a dedicated workspace used exclusively for focused activities. Micro-exercise interventions between focus sessions refresh neural pathways. Research published in Neuropsychology shows that even 3-5 minutes of movement can reset attention mechanisms. Integrating brief exercise between focus blocks, simple stretches, jumping jacks, or walking up and down stairs enhanced my ability to maintain concentration during subsequent work periods.